doing a special unboxing. If you don't know who I am, my name is Lena, also known as Be Fit with 2 E's and 2 I's. So, a little bit of backtrack. A while back, Hydrojug had a limited edition release, and it was a new traveler that had come out a few drops back, and it was the one with Aubrey, I can't remember her last name, but it was the cream colored and black checkered tumbler, and then they just came out with their first 20-ounce traveler, and that one had the daisies on it. So that was a very, very anticipated drop. And let's just say a lot of people were not happy about missing that one because it was limited edition, and I don't think they're going to be re-releasing that one from what I've heard. If they do, that would be amazing because there are a lot of people who still want those checkered travelers. And that drop in particularly made me extremely mad as an ambassador because they did away with the early releases for ambassadors, and instead now ambassadors have their own discount codes, which I just found out recently. So I contacted customer service to make sure my code was reactivated because for a while it wasn't working, and I messaged them and they were really nice enough to fix my discount code, which is B10. So BEE10 is my discount code. If you use that code when you shop with Hydrojug, you get 10% off, which is great because for the longest time we all wanted the discount code, and who doesn't love a discount code? Yeah. And for a little while I was getting commissions, and all of a sudden it stopped. So I knew there was something wrong with all my stuff, and you know, people were nice enough to support me as a creator and ambassador and stuff like that. And you know, I kind of fell off for a little while, you know, because things were happening in my life. But anyways, this newest drop was hopefully a fixer-upper of that really bad one. And let's just say Hydrojug seriously fixed the problem. Not only did they start selling products at their headquarters, they also were doing like pre-orders, which I mean the pre-orders take forever to get. Like a little bit before the initial drop, they released them on Amazon, and so I was sharing that link with everyone. So hopefully people were able to get the full-size travelers from Amazon. I did get mine as well, and that one's actually supposed to be coming in like in the next week. It was extremely quick, thank God. But these two in particular, I got in a smaller size, and I did do the expedited shipping, but it still took like a week-ish. So I think I've already cut into the box, and we're gonna open the first one. These are the 20-ounce travelers. I had bought some for me, and I thought about my husband because his birthday is shared with my son's, and I thought about my son because he always steals my travelers. I should probably get one for him too because these are small. They're perfect for kids, and a lot of people are getting the smaller travelers for their children, which is so adorable. And I'm glad because I was the one who suggested that a long time ago when they first came out with the travelers, not the small travelers, the travelers, the full-size ones. When they first came out with that, I was the one who suggested they come out with the small ones, and I am so glad that they actually listened. So not only do they have the 20-ounce ones, they also have the 32-ounce ones, and then now they have the full-size ones, which is the 40-ounce. This one, I had to make sure I wasn't going to miss it, and luckily they were really good about staying in stock. Thank God. So I hope everyone really got their hands on these because who does not want this? This is the Rodeo print. I'm from Texas, born and raised native. I had to have this print. Like, it is adorable. And not only that, I found the cutest nail stickers on Shein. Let me show you. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's like these little Western nail stickers. I can't wait to use these. I just need to find the right nail polish. But I don't know. I just love this. So I got this in the 20 ounce and I also got it in the 40 ounce. I couldn't help myself. And then the other one that I got, I told myself I wasn't going to get this because I kind of had no interest in it. And I didn't think it was the right shade of color for me. So we're going to open it up and see if it is the right shade that I actually like. Here you go, Bubba. You can have the box. This is the new red. I think it's like shimmer or something like that. But it's supposed to be like a gloss red. Oh, it is like a gloss red. Wow. It's supposed to be like that retro red color, which I actually like. Let me make sure there's no damage on it because I'd heard some people were getting damaged tumblers and mine looks like it's in great condition. Wow. I actually like this bottom. I heard that this bottom part was like a compartment, but I don't know. I honestly don't want to try anything, so I might have to just look on their page one more time and see. Oh yeah, it is removable rubber boot. So my tennis elbow, I can't. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that because my tennis elbow is just, you know, yeah. I think it's just a rubber boot. I don't know if the whole thing just comes off. But it's still leak proof, holds your water cold for 24 hours, food grade stainless, and less refills, 20 ounce. So this is like a little bit more than a water bottle because a water bottle is like what, 16 point something ounces. So yeah, this is just a little bit bigger than a water bottle. So this with the, I'm actually pretty happy. I'm probably gonna give the red one to my son, or maybe I'll give him this one. I don't know, I like them both too. I am terrible. I mean, me and my son, we share everything, so, and I'm glad that the rubber boots protect the bottom because my my other travelers actually have dents on the bottom of them because he likes to throw them. And luckily, the thing that I like about these travelers, they are indestructible. Not, like, besides being leak proof, they are literally indestructible. My son has thrown my travelers so many times, I am surprised nothing on it is broken. I kid you not. So these are so cute. When I get my other, I got some new Hydrojug stuff. I will do another unboxing with you guys later on when that comes in. I know those are going to take a little bit longer, but I'm still waiting on my 40 ounce traveler. But this is so cute. I really like this. William, which one do you want? Which one do you like? You like the red one? The red one it is. Yee. Originally, I wanted to get the Rodeo in just the sport tumbler, the one with the bucket handle on top. But I was scared that they were going to go out of stock. So when I saw the link on Amazon, I bought that one first. Mainly because it was cheaper than the retail price on the Hydrojug website. And you get free shipping. So I was like, I'm just going to go with that one instead. You want me to put water inside? All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use to support me on Hydrojug and save you some money with Hydrojug. Use code B10 for 10% off. I will see you guys next time in another unboxing video. Until then, goodbye, people.